This is the iForm builder for ArcGIS Server Desktop demo. So what you first want to do is actually open up the ArcMap program, so ArcMap here at the bottom. And once you have this toolbox installed, you'll actually see an option up here. So what we want to do is first click this settings option to yield this iForm configuration toolbox. And from here, you actually want to enter your server URL, username, password, client ID, refresh code from your server, so you can need a dedicated database because it is using API, this tool. Then your profile ID you want to view forms in, and your ArcGIS Online credentials as well. Now once you have all that set up, you actually just want to select this download selected table button. So what you'll actually do here is you'll see a list of all your different forms in your account. You'll see I have a ton of different ones in here. I'm just going to use the MP Engineering Manhole Final. So this is again the parent form, and it'll download all related subform data as well. So you have a few options here. You can favor a certain location. So say we want these points on this map to be shown with the location widget, the created location, or modified. You can choose that. If you want each table downloaded as its own specific layer, you can check this. This may be good in some scenarios, and I'm not going to do it today just because the engineering manhole, I only want the parent form to be the only layer I see. So I'm just going to uncheck that box and select download data. Now what this tool is doing is it's actually running a geoprocessing tool to pull in all the iForm Builder structure and then add all the data from iForm Builder into that geodatabase structure. So we'll just let it do its thing here. We'll see it did pull in the data. We'll see the layers on the map here. And we should see the points here plotted in just a quick second. So now we'll see that I did zoom to the full extent. That means from here you can add any base map data you need to. So just to show some of this, if you select this identify, you can choose any of these points here. And you can see that I have 2 points that I've actually selected. So if I look at Ben and Joe, I can see. So if I open Ben here, press this plus, then again I can see the subform record associated with that. Again, same thing with Joe, then I can see that subform record associated with that. Again, down here is the data beneath that. We have all of our metadata and some of the high-level details that were captured, date of inspection, name of inspector, other details like that. Now once you have this going, you can actually synchronize this to pull in new data into the system. So instead of selecting this download selected data, you just want to do the sync selected data. So I have not captured any records, so I don't think it's going to pull in any data. But we'll let it do its sync. It says sync complete, so if there were any new records since the last time I pulled it, it would pull in those records and add them to this geodatabase. Now if we go over here into our catalog, we'll see this is the geodatabase I've created. It has all of our different tables, our parent form, and our subform, and here you'll see the relationships here. So these are how they are related. And from here what you can really do is you can push this geodatabase and you can share it as a geodata service. So what this will do is let you publish a service either on your ArcGIS server side, on your ArcGIS Online side, wherever you may want to publish that. So kind of once you get the data into here, the possibilities are endless. So again, this is the iForm builder for ArcGIS Server Desktop demo, and this is the toolbox with the download data and the sync data that are included.